Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the challenges it faces. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another fascinating story with you today. As we take our first steps on this journey, let's head to the Caribbean, where a devastating disease is threatening the very existence of coral reefs. Stony coral tissue loss disease, or CTL for short, has been spreading rapidly across the region, leaving a trail of dead and dying corals in its wake. Imagine walking along a beach, surrounded by the vibrant colors and intricate structures of a thriving coral reef. But now, imagine that same reef, bleached and barren, with only remnants of what once was. That's the stark reality faced by scientists, conservationists, and local communities in the Caribbean. Researchers have been racing against time to understand the causes of CTL and find effective treatments. One promising approach involves using antibiotics to combat the disease. A team of scientists has been testing the use of amoxicillin on infected corals, with some remarkable results. Not only does the treatment seem to be effective in stopping the progression of the disease, but it also appears to have minimal impact on the coral's ability to reproduce. But CTL is just one of the many challenges facing coral reefs in the Caribbean. Rising ocean temperatures have caused severe bleaching events, while pollution and poor water quality continue to take their toll. It's a perfect storm of threats that's pushing these delicate ecosystems to the brink. As we delve deeper into this story, we'll hear from scientists who are working tirelessly to understand the complexities of CTL and develop new treatments. We'll explore the impact of the disease on coral reefs and the communities that depend on them. And we'll examine the broader implications of this crisis for the health of our oceans and the planet as a whole. So join me on this journey into the world of coral reefs and the scientists who are fighting to save them. It's a story of hope and resilience in the face of adversity, and it's a reminder of the importance of preserving the natural world for future generations. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in the lush and vibrant landscapes of Papua New Guinea, where a recent discovery has shed new light on the fascinating realm of herpetology. In this segment, we'll delve into the captivating story of 4 newly discovered species of tree snakes, each with unique characteristics and adaptations that have evolved over time. As we venture into the tropical islands of the Louisiade woodlark archipelagos, we're met with a tapestry of biodiversity that's nothing short of breathtaking. The recent study published by Fred Krause of the University of Michigan has brought clarity to the complex world of species identification in this region, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. 4 new species of tree snakes, belonging to the genus Dendrolaphis, have been identified, each endemic to a different island in the area. Let's take a closer look at these remarkable creatures. The first, Dendrolaphis anthracina, found on Sudist Island, is a striking jet black with a white chin, and has been observed exhibiting some fascinating behavior. In one notable instance, it was documented subduing a goshawk with a wingspan of over a meter, showcasing its impressive hunting prowess. The second, Dendrolaphis melanarches, found on Russell Island, boasts vibrant orange eyes and a net-like scale pattern, making it a true standout among its counterparts. As we explore further, we find the third species, Dendrolaphis atra, on Misima Island, which darkens to a matte black as it ages, a testament to the intricate and often mysterious processes of evolution. And lastly, the smallest of the 4, Dendrolaphis roseni, found on Woodlark Island, is named in honor of Krause's late friend and fellow snake ecologist, Clark Rosen. Each of these species has evolved unique characteristics, shaped by the distinct environments of their respective islands. The discovery of these new species not only highlights the exceptional biodiversity of Papua New Guinea, but also underscores the vast gaps that still exist in our scientific knowledge of this region. With at least 147 species of snake among its 424 documented reptile species, it's clear that there's still much to be uncovered and explored. However, as we celebrate these new findings, we must also acknowledge the pressing concerns of conservation. The very existence of these species may already be under threat from human activities, such as mining, deforestation, and encroachment. As we reflect on the significance of this discovery, we're reminded of the delicate balance that exists within ecosystems and the importance of preserving the natural habitats that support such incredible diversity. The story of these 4 new tree snake species serves as a poignant reminder of the wonders that await us in the unexplored corners of our planet and the urgent need for continued conservation efforts to protect them. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk, as we venture into another captivating tale from the natural world. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we celebrate World Oceans Day, we're reminded of the vital importance of our oceans and the incredible diversity of life they support. From the coral reefs to the deepest trenches, our oceans are home to an astonishing array of species, many of which remain unknown to us. Today, we'll be exploring 2 remarkable discoveries that have shed new light on the mysteries of ocean life. Firstly, let's dive into the depths of the Atacama Trench off Chile's coast, where scientists have identified a large and active predatory crustacean at a staggering depth of nearly 8,000 meters. The Dulcibella camanchaca is a remarkable creature, growing up to 4 centimeters in length, which may not seem significant to us, but in the nutrient-poor Hadal zone, this is a giant. What's even more fascinating is that DNA and morphological data suggest this is not only a new species, but also a new genus, highlighting the Atacama Trench as an endemic hotspot. Imagine being part of an evolutionary lineage found only in this trench, with unique adaptations that have allowed you to thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. This discovery underscores the uniqueness of our oceans and the importance of preserving these ecosystems for future generations. Now, let's move to the surface waters off California's coast, where scientists have been studying the singing behavior of blue, humpback, and fin whales. In a 6-year study, they found that these magnificent creatures sing more when food is abundant, and that humpback whales may even be able to understand when a blue whale is announcing a krill swarm through song. This idea that information about the ecosystem can travel between species is not only fascinating, but also highlights the complex social behaviors of these animals. The researchers also found that whales sang significantly less during a 2015 heat wave in the Northeast Pacific Ocean, when there was less food available. This discovery may give us some insight into how whales respond to warming oceans and sudden changes in climate. As we celebrate World Oceans Day, it's essential to remember the impact of human activities on our oceans. From overfishing to deep-sea mining, our actions have far-reaching consequences for marine life. It's crucial that we take action to protect these ecosystems, not just for the sake of the species that call them home, but also for our own well-being. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe for the incredible diversity of life on our planet. From the deepest trenches to the surface waters, our oceans are a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Let's continue to explore, learn, and protect these ecosystems for future generations. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.